Welcome to break 1749 for the Panini Obsidian football box. Cope. I got Dan B with 3, Wes 1, Chris G 5, Kevin 4, Toss M 4, Ryan Jordan 2, Richie 3, Dan 3, Mike B 2, Dan B 1, 6 spots. We got Mike 4, Wes 1, William with 6, and Mike with 1. A little filler action. Alright guys, 5 times, ram.org. Top 6, get a team. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Mike, William, Wes, Mike. Okay. Alright guys, column C 5 times, ram.org. And then we'll paste in column B, and that's the team you'll have for the break. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Kevin, you're on top. Chris, you're on the bottom. Kevin, Cardinals. Toe, Sim, Falcons. Chris, Guerrero, Ravens. Mike, Bills, Panthers. Toe, Bears. Kevin, Bengals. Dan B, Browns. Chris, Cowboys. Ryan, Broncos. Wes, Lions. Packers. Al, Texans. Dan, Colts. William, Jags. Dan, Chiefs. Al, Rams. William, Dolphins. Mike, Vikings. Ryan, Patriots. Chris, Saints. Toe, Sim, Giants. William, Jets. Chris, Raiders. Mike, Eagles. West, Steelers. Dan, Chargers, Niners. Al, Seahawks. Dan, Bucks, Titans. Chris with the Washington Redskins. All right, there we go. Glenn, we did do that jersey. Any trades, guys? All right, guys, here we go. No trades. Let's just jump into it. Who won? Honestly, I can't even remember. Who is the jersey? It was, I'm picturing in my head right now. It was, Paul Hornung for Green Bay. Alright, Obsidian, guys. Good luck. Memorable. Roquan Smith out of 100. Roquan Smith for the Bears. Oh, wow. 12 out of 40. 12 out of 48. Dick LeBeau auto. I've never seen a Dick LeBeau auto. Dick LeBeau auto for the Lions. Out of 100, Naheem Hines, jumbo for the Colts. 43 out of 100. Derrick Henry jersey card. 70 out of 100. Nice Calvin Ridley. Jersey auto there. Calvin Ridley. Marcus Mariota out of 75, purple or pink. And the Lev Bell out of 50 as well. Alright guys, let me sleeve them up and then we'll show them again. Alright guys, let's see where these bad boys are going. Alright, left to right, Pittsburgh Steelers, Wes. There you go, man. Tennessee Titans, Dan B. Calvin Ridley, Tosim. Tennessee Titans, Dan B. Naheem Hines, Colts, Dan B. Detroit Lions, Wes. Nice hit, Wes. And then Chicago Bears, the Bears. Tosim as well. Alright guys, column C 5 times, ram.org. Whoever's on top will get that free spot. Autograph mini helmet giveaway. 5 times, here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. Alright, Ryan Jordan, there you go, man. Free spot, autograph mini helmet giveaway. 1 spot left. Hopefully, I don't think any minis are coming tomorrow. I gotta talk to my guy. Alright guys, thank you very much. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below, turn notifications, never miss a live break. We go live 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every night. Thank you.